Welcome to this space of intentional architecture. Find a position where your spine is supported, yet your body can fully surrender its weight. We are beginning a somatic reconstruction of your nervous system. Your only task is to inhabit the blueprint of your own skin. Close your eyes. Imagine the vagus nerve not as a simple cord, but as the master wiring of your internal sanctuary. It travels from the base of your brain, weaving through your throat, your heart, and into the depths of your abdomen. Today, we are going to tone this nerve, sending a signal of absolute safety to every cell you own. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. We begin by clearing the debris of the day. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Feel the hand on your belly rise, while the hand on your chest remains still. Hold for 2. Now, exhale through pursed lips, as if breathing through a straw, for a count of 8. Long, slow, and thin. Again. In for 4. Expand the architecture of your lungs. Hold for 2. Exhale for 8. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. With every long exhale, you are manually flipping the switch from survival to sanctuary. You are telling your heart it is safe to slow down. You are telling your mind the threat is gone. Keep your head exactly where it is, facing forward. Without moving your head, shift only your eyes to the far right. Look as far to the right as you comfortably can, as if trying to see your own ear. Maintain your rhythmic breathing. In for 4. Out for 8. We stay here. We wait. We are looking for a physiological sign of release. You may feel a spontaneous yawn, a deep sigh, or a swallow. This is the vagus nerve resetting. It is the click of a lock falling into place. Now, slowly bring your eyes back to center. Close them for a moment. Feel the shift in the muscles of your neck. Now, keeping your head still, shift only your eyes to the far left. Look as far as you can. Maintain the breath. You are the architect, patiently observing the structure. Wait for the yawn. Wait for the sigh. Gently bring your eyes back to center. Relax your jaw. Soften the space behind your eyes. The foundation is now set. The vagus nerve passes directly behind the vocal cords. We will now use vibration to massage the nerve from the inside out. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, keep your lips sealed and create a low, steady humming sound, a voo or a Feel the vibration in your throat, your chest, and your skull. Again, deep breath in, exhale and hum. Let the sound be as long and steady as possible. The vibration is a frequency of peace. It resonates through the architecture of your bones. It breaks up the static of anxiety. Feel the resonance travel down into your heart space, softening the walls you've built for protection. As the vibration fades, remain in the silence. Your nervous system is now tuned to a lower, more stable frequency. Visualize a golden thread of light starting at the base of your skull. Follow it as it branches out like the roots of an ancient tree. Wrapping around your heart, smoothing the rhythm of your pulse. Watch it descend further, calming the fire in your gut, bringing a cool, steady stillness to your core. Every organ it touches begins to function in harmony. The fight or flight response has been dismantled. In its place, we are building a temple of restoration. You are not just resting, you are restoring the integrity of your DNA. You are teaching your body that it is allowed to be soft. You are the architect of this calm. For the final minutes of this journey, we move into total stillness. Every muscle is heavy. Your breath is effortless. There is nothing to fix. There is nothing to solve. If a thought enters, acknowledge it as a guest in your lobby and let it pass through. You are staying in the sanctuary. As you prepare to return, or to drift into deep sleep, carry this structure with you. This architecture of calm is not something you visited. It is something you are. You can return to this blueprint whenever the world feels too loud. The switch is yours to flip. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. The restoration is complete. You are safe. You are grounded. You are home.